Hi guys, this is the software that I mentioned in the post. It's very easy. Everything is only with clicks. We have to first upload our picture. So this is the two pictures that I make a screenshot from the characters. So now I'm gonna give you the example with stickman. For 3D characters also working good, but not all the scene. So let's go to stickman. We have to press next, then go agree. Again we go to next, and one more time next. And this is the animation. You see, it's very easy. We have categories here: dance, funny, jumping, walking, and I think this will be useful for some of our projects. It's completely free, and we can animate any of our characters. You see, this is like a dance. It's a funny and easy, and we can do it. Another things, because if we want to use this kind of animation, we have option only to share with link. And what I did is I make a screen record like now what I'm doing, only this part here, and then I use in my project like bits of video with the screen record. So just improvisation, but it's I think it's gonna be useful for all of you. Thank you. See you. Bye.